In this video, I want to show you how to add web fonts to your site. So right now, I've got my JSBin site set up like this. And I know that I can add in my CSS, I know that I could do this, font family, and I can put a particular font family, but that doesn't give me very many choices. So the way that we can add additional fonts is by using web fonts. So here's the 4 steps. You're going to go to fonts.google.com. You're going to select the font by clicking the plus sign. You're going to copy the link relation tag and place it underneath the head tag in your HTML and copy and paste the CSS. So let's go ahead and do that. The first thing that I'm going to do is go to fonts.google.com. And once it loads, I'm going to find a font that I like. So I might like, for example, something that kind of sticks out a little bit. There, Indie Flower. So what I'm going to do is click the plus as was indicated in the slide, and you'll notice this box comes up at the bottom and it tells me what family I selected. So I'm going to click on that box, and then as I said in the slide, you're going to copy over the link ref tag, and then you're going to copy over the CSS. So let's do this. Copy that. I'm going to go back to my JSBin. According to my slide, I'm going to place it right underneath the head tag. So I'm going to take this, go right underneath the head tag, and I'm just going to place it in there. Okay, so I've got that in the head tag. Nothing changed yet, right? Well, that's because I didn't tell my CSS to affect the H1. So now when I go to my fonts.google.com and I get the CSS for that font. So I'm going to take this, and it says specify in CSS. And once I go over to my CSS, I can then enter this in my, instead of this font family Georgia, I can go ahead and paste what was over there, and you'll notice that this suddenly changed. That's how you add web fonts, and you can see that there's tons to choose from. The more that you select, you just got to be careful. So if I click plus on this one, it'll say now 2 families selected. So you've just got to make sure that you are picking the correct one in order to get the right links.